Chemical splash curtains offer customized protection against corrosive substances for both indoor and outdoor use, safeguarding property and personnel. Chemical splash curtains can be used for a variety of applications: chemical mixing plants, power plants, laboratories, chemical factories, schools, and pharmaceutical facilities. The special curtains feature chemical-resistant seam that won't degrade like a stitched seam. The industrial-grade curtains feature 18 ounces reinforced internal scrim vinyl that is made for the rigors of tough use. Choose from multiple layouts to enclosure your chemical washdown applications. Radius corners allow you to roll the curtain from one side to another with ease. Choose from 5 different curtain track attachments that will best mate up with your structure. These track attachments slide with ease on the track to the locations that you need them. Choose from many different color combinations to match your company colors or application requirements. We offer top quality curtains that are easy to install and at low cost. We will make sure your installation is a success.